Well, here's something I missed out on in school. Okay, got these double hung windows. They're Marvin's. They were installed, 10 years ago. And really like them. They were installed vinyl clad on the outside, wood on the inside. And painted them up nice. Did a really good job, kind of proud of it. But I missed something. And it could cost me quite a bit. So let's correct my mistake. And I'm gonna do it quick here without buying any new paint, just using some old paint that I found. Can't find where the brown color went, but I'm gonna take care of a problem and prevent some expensive damage later on. Okay, so the windows got painted, except I didn't do under here. And that will end up just soaking up any water that gets past this seal. So, and then of course that'll wick right in and start ruining everything. So let's work on getting rid of that. Do a quick little job on all the windows that I can get to and get this problem taken care of. sill all protected. It ought to last quite a bit longer than if I'd ignored it. And, all that for one splotch of paint. Ow, nobody will notice. Don't tell anybody. Okay, well, got those all done. Still have 3 more in the basement, but I do see some damage in one of those. So that's gonna be a separate video of repairing the sash. And I'll get after that here this week. And hopefully that video will be coming out before too terribly long. But I'm glad I got to these while I did, so I don't have any issues in the future. And don't forget to check your windows, make certain that they got painted underneath there as well. So I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you next time.